Forest Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Spencer County and central Kentucky, Shelby County and central Kentucky until 4:45 a.m. At 4:17 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles east of Middletown to 6 miles southwest of Shelbyville to near Taylorsville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. The storm has had a history of producing large hail. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shelbyville, Simpsonville, Montclair, Harrisonville, Hooper, Middletown Heights, Itona, Clay Village, Finksville, and Connor.